Welcome on the Esri Belux Open Data portal. Are you looking for specific data or are you looking for the latest resources online? Do you want to be able to reuse this data without having to download it or store it on your computer? Maybe you want to see how this open data can be used in maps, applications, and dashboards, or you want to improve your skill in the use of ArcGIS products. Esri Belux set at your disposal a portal of data from several sites in Belgium and Luxembourg, with the aim of supporting you and simplify your tasks in the search for data and their use in ArcGIS Online. There are several ways to explore, find and use the data on the portal. You can either click here on data or here. The data can be found directly by entering keyword here in the search bar, or you can explore data by region or explore data categories. Let's take an example. You can use this data directly in ArcGIS Online without downloading it by clicking here in View Metadata or on Create Web Map. Now you can use the layer at your own pace. On the portal, some applications and story maps are made available to you. They show you the first outline of what you can achieve with the open data on the ArcGIS platform. The applications are wide. Browse some of our examples to get some inspiration. Esri also offers resources for your learning. Become a GIS expert by browsing through the lesson that suits your needs. Don't wait any longer. Explore the Esri Belux Open Data portal.